I'm on 14 now. This road does run east-west, so it doesn't have that crosswind on it. But it's much, expectably much more clear than S23 was. State highway, they're blowing the windrow clear off to leave the shoulder, the gravel shoulder exposed even, so they're not having issues with the buildup as bad. This is reasonable, I guess. This road's pretty reasonable. But, yeah, the wind's kind of coming out of the northwest. It is blowing across the road, but it's not as severe as the road I just come off of S23 that runs north-south. It was catching all that west crosswind. So, looks like this could be deep south top of this hill by Junkyard. No, I guess it ain't. It's just pretty white. There's the Junkyard, Roger Kretzinger's place. He's in the nursing home right now currently. He's got bad dementia. They sure do miss Roger. I was kind of good friends with him when I was younger. Nice man. Last of a dying breed, as they say. There's Hamilton's new house, Richie Hamilton's new house. He's not moved into it yet, I know. I think they just got most of the outside done. They probably ain't got no drywall done or anything like that in there. Golf course. What's this curb gonna look like? Kind of getting to be a windrow in the center section here. What do they call it? The median, I believe. There's no concrete bridge on it or nothing. It's just painted on. It's just one solid flat surface with the median just painted in this little section here. There's a new Casey's that opened up a couple months back. The sign, I guess, anyway. I turned my defrost on, and I just noticed now I'm able to see out of my mirrors. That was totally good, looked like to me. Yeah, I can see out of my mirrors now, and my rear window. So I should have done that when I left the house. I wonder if Lockridge is open today. I suppose that's just good enough visibility now. I can turn my hazards off. I remember when I was working in the county, the city dump there, somebody had rented it out, the railroad maybe rented it out, they was piling up railroad ties there, and the city burned, people bring leaves, branches, whatnot from the town, and the city workers burn it off a couple times a year at least, and city workers burn it off, and they caught those creosote railroad ties on fire. Hundreds of them burnt, and because that fire is so hot from the creosote and intense and stuff, the fire department wasn't able to really get it out with just water. So when Clayton was still the county supervisor, Brian, the current supervisor, he was on the Sheraton Fire Department. He asked Clayton if they could take the link belt excavator out there to break apart the railroad ties to get that fire taken care of, and the county allowed it. So Brian, this DOT guy, he's flagging me to go by him. It's interesting. Another one coming up over the hill. I like following them, then I get the clean road. Oh shit, this guy's wide here. He's real wide. He's gonna miss me, thank God. wonder if that guy behind me knew that he was coming. That was kind of a dick move. Run me up on the bridge with the fucking 14-foot wide blade coming across it. What a jackass. I probably shouldn't say that. He's probably a good guy. It's Friday. It looks like CNC Cycle's closed today. It's supposed to be open, I suppose, on account of the weather conditions they've got her shut down. Probably wouldn't be getting much business today. I don't think there's a lot of people out. A lot of people out today looking to buy four-wheelers or side-by-sides or Harleys. There's BP, Red Haw Realty. Well, you got this site. I don't know who maintains this, if it's the city or what. It must be. It's not plated very well. It's probably Smith there. Wow, that was Feehan from the Interiors and More store that lay carpet and do some trim and houses and stuff like that. Well, they ain't got their parking lot bladed at all at that hotel there. There's one car there. Well, here I am at the Super 8 to get Brantley. Their parking lot's nice and bladed.